Let us discuss about the preparation methods of alcohols. See what are the methods are there to prepare alcohols. First from alkenes, by acid catalyzed hydration. Alkenes reacts with water in presence of acid. We will get alcohols. CH2 double bond CH2, ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. Ethene reacts with water in presence of an acid. We will get ethyl alcohol. In case of unsymmetrical alkenes, the addition reaction takes place in accordance with Markovnikov's rule. That means OH group is bonded to that carbon which has less number of hydrogen atoms. Let us see an example. Propene, this is unsymmetrical alkene. CH3CH double bond CH2. This is an unsymmetrical alkene. This unsymmetrical alkene reacts with water in presence of an acid catalyst. We will get propane 2-ol. Here OH group is attached to the less number of hydrogen carbon atoms. Less number hydrogen atoms attached carbon. Here this carbon, here double bond in propane, double bond is there to this double bond. This carbon is attached one hydrogen, to this carbon attached two hydrogens. So this is having this carbon is having less number of hydrogens. So OH group is attached to this carbon. So we will get CH3CH OH CH3 propane 2-ol. Next, by hydroboration oxidation. Diborane B2H6 diborane adds on alkene to give trialkyl boranes, which on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali gives alcohols. Let us see. CH3CH double bond CH2 propene reacts with the diborane B2H6. Propene reacts with the diborane. We will get tripropyl borane. CH3CH2 taken twice B, tripropyl borane. Upon oxidation with hydrogen peroxide, this tripropyl borane, upon oxidation with the hydrogen peroxide, we will get propane 1-ol. We will get primary alcohols. In this reaction, alcohol is obtained opposite to expected from Markovnikov's rule. In this reaction, alcohol is obtained in excellent yield. Next preparation method from carbonyl compounds. By reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes, that means RCHO compounds. Ketones, RCOR compounds. Aldehydes and ketones, and reduction with hydrogen in presence of metal catalyst or by reducing agent give alcohols. Let us see some examples. Aldehydes give primary alcohols. Aldehydes undergo reduction with strong reducing agents, give primary alcohols, whereas ketones give secondary alcohols. Let us see an example. RCHO is an aldehyde. Aldehyde reacts with hydrogen in presence of palladium or platinum or nickel. In presence of a catalyst, we will get primary alcohol RCH2OH. Let us take one more example. RCHO aldehyde undergo reduction with the NaBH4, sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. We will get primary alcohol RCH2OH. Let us take another example. Let us take ketone RCOR, ketone. ketone reacts with hydrogen in presence of palladium or platinum or nickel catalyst, we will get secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol RCHROH. This is a secondary alcohol. This is the secondary alcohol. RCHOHR. This is a secondary alcohol. Next, take one more example. RCOR ketone reacts with a strong reducing agent like sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. We will get secondary alcohol RCHOH. Here we have to observe aldehydes gives primary alcohols, whereas ketones gives secondary alcohols. Very very important. Aldehydes gives primary alcohols, ketones gives secondary alcohols. When aldehydes reacts with hydrogen in presence of palladium or platinum or nickel catalyst, we will get alcohol, primary alcohol. Or aldehydes undergo reduction with strong reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, we will get primary alcohols. And if ketones reacts with hydrogen in presence of palladium or platinum or nickel catalyst, we will get secondary alcohol. And also, if ketones undergo reduction with sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride, like strong reducing agents, we will get secondary alcohols. This is the preparation of alcohols by reduction of aldehydes or ketones. Next, coming to another method, by reduction of carboxylic acids and esters. Carboxylic acids, when reduced by strong reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride, we will get primary alcohols. Let us see an example. RCOOH. This is the carboxylic acid. If carboxylic acid undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, we will get and also react with water, we will get primary alcohol RCH2OH. Esters. Next, coming to esters. Esters on catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohols. Esters on catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohols. RCOOR. This is an ester. Ester reacts with hydrogen, undergo catalytic hydrogenation. We will get primary alcohols RCH2OH and also ROH. We will get primary alcohols. Next, commercially, acids are reduced to alcohols by first converting them into esters, followed by reduction by using hydrogen in presence of catalyst. Catalytic hydrogenation. Commercially, acids are reduced to alcohols by commercially, acids are reduced to alcohols by first converting them into esters, followed by reduction using hydrogen in presence of catalyst. RCOOH, carboxylic acid, reacts with alcohol. ROH, carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in presence of an acid catalyst. We will get an ester. RCOOR. This ester undergo hydrogenation in presence of catalyst. We will get RCH2OH, primary alcohol. ROH. So, from carboxylic acid, if we prepare primary alcohols, first we have to convert that carboxylic acid into esters. After conversion of carboxylic acid into ester, that is then we do catalytic hydrogenation, then that ester is converted into primary alcohol. This method is used in commercial. Next method is from Grignard reagents. Grignard reagents. Alkyl magnesium halides are known as Grignard reagents. Aldehydes and ketones undergo addition of alkyl magnesium halide to give an adduct which upon hydrolysis we will get alcohols. Let us see an example. HCHO formaldehyde reacts with RMGX Grignard reagent. We will get an adduct. Upon hydrolysis, this adduct gives RCH2OH primary alcohol plus MgOH. Aldehydes reacts with Grignard reagent. We will get an adduct. These adducts undergo hydrolysis. We will get primary alcohols. Next, if we take other aldehydes except formaldehyde, RCHO aldehyde reacts with RMGX, that means Grignard reagent. We will get an adduct. This adduct upon hydrolysis we will get an secondary alcohol RCHOH. This is a secondary alcohol and MgOH. If aldehyde except formaldehyde, other aldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, we will get an adduct, and this adduct further undergo hydrolysis, we will get secondary alcohol. Next, coming to ketones. If ketones reacts with Grignard reagent, we will get an adduct. Upon hydrolysis of this adduct, we will get an alcohol. This alcohol is tertiary alcohol, and also MgOH. By observing the above reactions, primary alcohols will form from formaldehyde, and secondary alcohols will form from other aldehydes, and tertiary alcohol will form from ketones. If observe, formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent, we will get primary alcohols. Other aldehyde except formaldehyde, if other aldehydes react with the Grignard reagent, we will get secondary alcohols. If ketones react with the Grignard reagent, we will get tertiary alcohols. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video in my YouTube channel Raj Reddy Chemistry Talks. This is Raj Reddy, faculty in chemistry. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, press bell icon. Thank you.